Hello friends, hope you all are fine. So friends, today I am going to discuss about the facts about Americana chickens that will simply enchant you. Chicken breeds consist of three blue eggs layers, the Araucana, the Easter eggers and the Americana. Animal Shake will provide interesting facts about Americana chickens. Did you know? Titbitting is a dance performed by roosters on discovery of food. They make sounds and move their head up and down, picking up or dropping food. Researchers claim that hens are attracted more towards those roosters who performs titbitting. So, what comes to your mind when you think about chicken? More meat eaters, delicious chicken recipes for the vegetarian cute little chicks. The word Americana is the combination of the words American and Araucana. According to the APA, American Poultry Association, the Americana and the Araucana are considered as pure breed blue egg breeds. Among them, the Americana contains and two types of chicken, Americana Batnam and Americana large fowl. These chickens are known for their docile and skittish nature. Previously, the poultry industries believed that the blue eggs had lower cholesterol and higher nutritional value than white eggs, but many recent researchers have stated otherwise. History. The Americana is a relatively new breed. According to certain sources, around the late 70s, the standard American chicken and the Araucana were bred to overcome certain shortcomings of the Araucana chicken breed. Thus, the Americana breed was born, and in 1980, this name was officially accepted by the American Poultry Association (APA) and by the American Breeders Association (ABA). The Americana Breeders Club was established to provide members or breeders with information about these chickens. Since 1984, attributes about this chicken and 8 varieties have been recognized by both the APA and ABA. These color patterns are black, blue, blue, whiten, brown, red, silver, white and whiten, and these colors are applicable to both large fowls and bantams. Appearance. Americana with a peak comb and a distinct tail. A comb is a fleshy growth on top of chicken's head. Americana have a peak comb and it acts like a cooling system and helps them to prevent frostbite. Their beak has a slightly downward curve. The lower part of their face is covered with feathers which looks like a beard. They have full-fledged tails unlike the Araucanas, and their tail is positioned at an unique angle of 45 degrees over a horizontal pattern. Their earlobes are red in color and females tend to have a pale appearance. Size. This breed is relatively small as compared to the other breed. According to the Americana Breeders Club, standard weight for bantams should be cocks 30 O's, hens 26 O's, and standard weight for large fowls should be cocks 6.5 lbs, hens 5.5 lbs. Color. Americana eyes with a brown tone. They come in many different colors like black, blue, whiten, brown, red, silver, buff, white and whiten, which makes it difficult to identify the purest breed of all, and some breeders come to have Americanas in their backyard. But the truth is they have Easter eggers. Males tend to have more of an orange tint to them. Their feet are white in color. Shank is blue and grey, while the eyes have a red and brown tone. Behavior. Many owners describe the chickens as sweet, docile, good natured and shy. Male dominance is observed in this type of breed, wherein the roosters call out to the hens when they discover food and they protect female chickens from trouble. Roosters are known for their aggressive nature, so they should be kept separate from the hens unless they are breeding. Of course, proper food supply water province has to be taken care of. Eggs. The hens laying age starts when they are 5 to 6 months old, when hens lay eggs even during the winters, but they need to be fed properly, especially proteins, because egg laying depletes proteins and calcium, so their food intake should be rich in calcium and protein. Eggs laid are blue in color, so it sometimes gives the eggs an Easter eggs types of appearance. Americanas have been known to live for more than 10 years, but again this depends on their diet and living conditions too. This breed is best suited for egg production. Unique characteristics such as feathers, beards, blue legs and tufted ear makes Americanas among the country favorite laying breeds. Related post. These facts about tobacco hornworms will simply leave you baffled. Tobacco hornworms are 70 mm long caterpillars that are a menace for tobacco plants. This article presents some useful tobacco hornworm facts that include their life cycle, habitat and diet, origin, feathers and 14 other amusing facts about silkeye chickens. These are birds and then there are chickens, and among these are the silkeye chickens. Whereas and wonderful as they are, an interesting fact is that these